just out here patiently waiting for the clouds to lift so we can go fly. Starting to see some blue skies up there. It says it's supposed to lift in the next 2 hours, so just gonna sit here and wait till it lifts and go fly. That's it. Oh, I also wanted to give an update on the competition that my father and I flew in last month. So, after getting motivated by the Fly Cool Shit podcast and Mike Goulian calling us out, my dad and I decided to compete in the contest in Borrego in April, so about a month ago. It was honestly one of the greatest experiences. I was blown away by the quality of pilot that was out there. There were so many phenomenal pilots at flying every type of aircraft. I think being at the contest helped me realize that it's not about the equipment you're in. You know, you could watch somebody who's flying a super decathlon and they are flying it leaps and bounds better than I'm flying an airplane that's more capable. And it really showed that it's not the airplane, you know, it's the person who's flying it. So when you get to the contest, first thing that stood out was how small the box was. It was tiny. I had like makeshift boxes kind of set up by, you know, landmarks and stuff out here that I fly around, but the first time I actually saw the box in person, I couldn't believe how small it was. It just felt so much smaller for that first flight. So my only goal through the whole competition was don't zero maneuver, so don't mess it up so bad that you get 0 points, and stay in the box. That was the only thing I was trying to focus on. Well, I honestly learned more when I was on the ground listening to the judges than I did when I was flying. And I found myself just, you know, really focusing on the things that they were paying attention to. That's it. But today, I want to do something different. I still practice the sportsman, and I've been, you know, practicing the intermediate, and it's, I don't know what the rules are as far as if you're supposed to fly sportsman for a whole year, or you have to win, then you can move up. I'm not exactly, it's like baseball. There seems to be some unwritten rules, and a lot of the people mentoring, sorry, there's an airplane back there. What was I saying? I forgot. So today, for fun, all I want to do is, because I've been practicing the sportsman, the intermediate, I wanted to go out and fly the advanced. So I have no intention on trying to stay in the box. I just really wanted to kind of fly the sequence, see if I could fly the whole thing. And there's some maneuvers on here I've never tried before. We're just gonna see how it goes.
Traffic, Eagle 5 Delta Tango, departing runway 23, Hammond. Alright, first things first, we're going to climb up a little bit higher than normal to do this. Cross, left, roll, 3/4, 3/4. Shoot to the southeast for eastbound at 37. 2 base. 3/4, I'm going this way. Boom, boom, come back, down, that way. Alright, cross box entry, here we go. Alright, down for the 45. Alright. There we go, a little too much smash, but let's do it. Alright, here we go. Vertical. Vertical. Loop on the way down. That was a lot better about that one. Pull out of it. 3/4 left. 3/4 right. 2 base left. 1. 2. Might have overshot that first one. Alright, now we're doing 3/4 snap, heading back to the south. There we go. There we go, there's the smashy one. 1/4. 3/4. A little shallow tip on that wing. Let's climb, let's go out and climb here. Alright, there we go. Now bringing her around. Downline. Let's pull it to the 45. Big line here, big line. Hold it up. Lay out inverted, okay. Point that way, pull that way. Right, yeah, looks good. And there she goes, right. There it is. Now this is going to 45 to a half snap up. Don't need that much smash for this one. Hold the line. 45 up. Overshot it. That's okay. This is the one. On a smash on this one. Here we go. There it is. Move it over the top. This goes to the down line. 2 of 8 left. Ready? 1, 2. Yep, that looks good there. Now let's put it up. Push her over the top. A little short after. There she goes. I'm going the wrong way again. One push. What does this do? Alright. Get alive. Speed, a little bit of speed, a little bit of speed. 1, 2. Yep, cheated it. Alright, let's... And the traffic, red and white experimental. One. Alright. Alright. There's 2. And the... Yep. Yep. Oh, that was horrible. I think that's it. I think I'm gonna experimental turning base, cruise in, land, and kind of review what I did. That's it. All right, sweet.
Man, dang, that was a lot harder than I anticipated. But it was fun. It's honestly so much fun. Just trying to sequence everything together. I mean, obviously, I didn't do it very well, and I missed turns and directions, and there's no chance I stay in the box, and I lost so much altitude. But it was a blast trying it out. That's it. I don't know. I don't even know what to say. It was just so much fun. So that's it. All right. Peace.